Emoji Records. That's Elon Musk, responsible for this. He put out a new song. Can you explain this song to us, Will?
Like the type of genre?
Just explain what happened.
I believe it's trance. Progressive trance.
You're not explaining too much. What happened here?
He made a song.
Another song, because he had one before.
Yeah, Rest in Peace, Harambe. Just come on now.
I think we can we can play like 2 seconds of it.
Can we?
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's like the build up. There's a drop that comes after that. It's Don't Doubt Your Vibe.
Don't doubt it.
Don't doubt your vibe. And it's that saying happens throughout the song. Don't doubt your vibe. Is that something you've ever done, Will? Have you ever doubted your vibe?
I'm not too sure what that means, but
sounds like a no. Sounds like a no. Sounds like a yes.
Yeah, I mean,
sounds like you're doubting it right now, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, Elon's having fun. As far as I'm concerned, I'm all for it, man. Just do stuff. It's great. It seems mostly positive. Some people are mad. Some people are always mad. But he's just goofing. He's goofing. He's in the studio. He's goofing and memeing. And, of course, he has the girlfriend Grimes. So people are saying she's making the studio available and possibly collaborating. But look, you got a limited amount of time on this planet.
Yeah.
You wanna put out Don't Doubt Your Vibe, throw it on SoundCloud. I'm not gonna be the one to hate on that. That's just not my thing. So go for it. Don't doubt your vibe. Now, the thing is, Kirk was stating this earlier, starts out maybe as a bit of a joke, but then just given the person who made it, you can imagine this thing. What's that when they go out in the desert there?
Peyote?
No, they go out. Burning Man.
Burning Man.
I mean, you're gonna be blaring this at Burning Man. Don't doubt your vibe, Elon Musk. You're gonna be blaring this.
Why not?
Burning Man, Cybertrucks.
Good on him.
You're okay with it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very productive. Trying
yeah, I mean, especially when it comes from, like, obviously he hasn't spent a career really all that worried about putting music out. It's a side thing. So, I don't know. The comment of, stick to making rockets, loser. I don't really understand that. Who cares? But I guess people, you're entitled to your point of view. Oh. If that's what you want to say. That's the whole thing about the public forum. You're entitled to your point of view. But as far as I'm concerned, do what you got to do.
You support it.
Don't doubt your vibe.
Right on. Well said.
I don't doubt his vibe. I don't doubt your vibe.
Well.
I do doubt Kirk's vibe, though.